I'm Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, we're going to make blueberry and yogurt popsicles. Now, the first thing we have to do is smash up some blueberries with a little bit of honey. So we're going to squeeze just a little drop of honey in there. Okay. We're going to take a fork and just smash those blueberries. Not completely pureed, but just kind of smashed up a little bit. There we go. Mix in that honey with that. That looks really, really good. Doesn't take much effort. Beautiful. Now we're going to take some of these berries and drop them into the bottom of a popsicle mold. And we'll do this in layers, switching back and forth between some vanilla yogurt and those macerated blueberries. So just a little bit in there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Some more blueberries over here. And you can switch up the fruit if you like. You like strawberries, blackberries, a little mango or pineapple. That would work really, really well in this. Take a little bit more of that vanilla yogurt and any kind of flavor yogurt that you like. Give it a little tap just to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. And just keep repeating with the fruit. There we go. And the yogurt. Just till you get to the top of the mold. That looks really, really good. Beautiful. Now, we can put a lid on this and put our popsicle sticks right in, but I wanted to show you some of the finished popsicles. Here we go. These have been freezing overnight, and they come out just like that. They look absolutely delicious. My name's Chef Egg, and that's how you make vanilla yogurt and blueberry popsicles. Peace.